Hello, my name is Tom Henry. I'm a consultant here at EPMA. Today I'm going to show you how to create enterprise projects from Microsoft PPM. So we can see here I've got a PPM environment. It says SharePoint at the top, and it's got the PWA quick launch down the left hand side. Now, depending on your organization, you may have slightly changed this. The look and feel might be slightly different, but I would say for 99.9% of people, you're going to have this projects button here on the left hand side in the quick launch. I'm going to click on this. This is going to take me to the project center. You can see that listed here, project center. In here I can see all of my existing projects. I can then add a new one or initiate a new project. Well, to do this, we just need to click on the Projects ribbon at the top left hand side of the screen, like so. And now I can see New in the Project section of the Projects ribbon. If I click New, I'm going to be provided with various options. Now, depending on my organization, you may have various different enterprise project types set up, but essentially each one could have its own project schedule template, its own project site template, and also a workflow associated with it. Okay, I'm going to create this enterprise project type. So this is a type of project. It's just a kind of an out-of-the-box thing that we've created here. So it's just called enterprise project. I'm going to click on that. And when I do, I'm prompted with this very basic project detail page. In here, I can give the project a name. So I'm going to call this ABC Tom Test. Okay, give it a description. This is my first project. I can give it a start date. Now, this start date will actually dynamically update the schedule. Now, if you remember, we're going to have a scheduled template associated with this particular enterprise project type. So that schedule will start from the date that I specify here. By default, it's going to be today's date, but we can change that. So let's say I wanted it to start next Monday, the 27th. Click that. I can see the owner here. I'm actually using a different person's account, Partiv's. So he's the owner because he's the person that's creating it. And I can see I'm logged in as Partiv at the top right hand side of the screen. When I hit save, I can see messages coming back from the server saying it's processing, it's creating the enterprise project. And once the project's created, you'll see that it'll appear right here in the project center. I can then open up that schedule in Microsoft Project and start building out my schedule. Thanks very much for watching, and have a nice day.